Alright, so a while back, I came across a producer on TikTok who goes by Holy Drill, and he must be the only guy out there who's merged Christianity with UK drill. So instead of talking Rambos and buying, we're talking crucifixes and Christ. But yeah, I love when people do their own thing, man, so I reached out to him for a collab, and he said he's been watching my videos for a long time, which is always sick to hear. So in this video, Holy Drill's gonna be making a holy melody, then I'm gonna be adding the drums to bring you a Christian drill beat. And yo, right now I'm getting ready to launch a huge Black Friday sale with some crazy discounts that you've never seen me do before. So if you want early access to that, just click the link in the description and let's get straight into it.
Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's Holy Drill here, and in this video I'm gonna be making a beat with Jay Cactus. Yeah, that's right. I just want to say a very big thank you to Jay for this opportunity. You know, he's a very big inspiration to me personally and to the producer community as large. So let's get right into it. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do is to make like a little drum loop. You get me? That's I would work with. That would just guide me. It's not like the main thing. Yeah, I'm going with this spin 808. This one, and yeah, let's build something that's too high. Yes, sir. Okay. Yes, sir. So what I'm going to do right now is just, copy this and just paste it on this hi-hat over here. So now I'm going to put that on the playlist and I'll duplicate it and make this one unique. So next I'm going to introduce like a counter snares. Nothing too serious, just basic stuff. I already have something here. Just do a little chopping up. Yeah, and now we have this. So the next thing I want to add is my keyboard. I'm gonna be using Keyscape. So let me just play something real quick. So yeah, we have something like this. So the next thing I'm gonna add is this violin, pizzicato vibrato. I don't know if I got that right. So with the reverb and the delay, H delay from waves and the EQ, we have something like this. So next I'm going to add this sound that I just found randomly in my one-shot collection. Sounds like this. Yeah, so the next thing I'm going to add is bells, just to give it a little bit more high end, just to make it brighter and come out more. Yeah, so next I wanted to record my vocals, but I ended up whistling instead. It sounds something like this. So now I need something that would give it, energy, that will make it hit hard, and nothing does better than the brass. You get me? This one, I actually got this one shot from Jay Cactus. Yeah, here's how it sounds when I add it to the track. Yeah. So the next thing I added was this choir sound from Omnisphere. Yeah, that sound. So I didn't do much, just something simple. Okay, now I'm gonna consolidate everything here so I can save me some RAM and PC power. All right, so I've consolidated everything, and I'm gonna do a little bit of arranging. Duplicate this, take off some elements here, and I want to add some vocal chops from what's it called, Arcade. Yeah, from Arcade. I'm gonna make a third section where I'm going to take off Arcade and then replace it with a violin. So I already did that. Yeah, I think that's a wrap. So I'm gonna export this and send it to Jay. Let's see how the final beat comes out. Bless.
Yo, my guy Holy Drill just did his thing, man. Melody sounded real nice. I can't lie, it's different to the usual stuff I'd make, but that's the whole purpose of this video, man. We're here to switch it up, try something new, make some Holy Drill. So yeah, let's see what I can do with the drums. I think for now, I'm just gonna mute the hats and the bass. We'll get my own pattern in. I also just like to organize everything, and then whenever I'm sent stems, I'll just create a bus. Then let's see if we can change the key. Yeah, maybe down 3. We'll roll with that for now. I'm just going to take out some more of that low end too. Right, and I'm thinking we could get just a rim like this as the main counter snare. I think we could do a couple switch ups, but for now I just want this simple bounce. Just copy that, and then just a couple lower ones at the end. Yeah, just something like that. Then for the snares, yeah, I forgot I've got one called Church Snare, man. We have to try this one. So I want the main counter snare bounce to be simple, but then right at the end of that 8 bar, we could add some lighter ones just to add more energy.
Go, hey, more passion, more passion, more passion, more energy.
So I'm thinking something like this, and we'll just copy it in, but I only really want it like right at the end. And then a faster one, just somewhere like here. Maybe we could add a couple more here, just bring the velocity down. Then on the second ones, we're just gonna add some pancake, bring the mix down. We'll just set it to a quarter, see what this sounds like. Just separates it. I want to try this one instead though. Yeah, I think I prefer that. Alright, for the 808, I'm not really sure which one to use yet, man. I don't want to use something too dark because it wouldn't match the vibe. So I'm thinking I could use this one from my splice kit, and then I'll change it if I need to. That's the pattern. I'm actually going to turn the envelope off of this one, fade it out, and then just set it to cut itself. I don't like to have all my patterns the same, man. Definitely want a couple different patterns. So with this one, I'm thinking the notes can be long, and then for a separate one, they'll be short. Let's add another one though. Yeah, this is sounding hard. So I've just cloned the 8-weight, we'll bring the out back and then turn on the envelope. Copy this pattern, bring it into the second one, but now we can make some changes. Just something like that, you know. Alright, we just need a couple perks in there as well, so Grab something like this. Just gotta pitch it in key though. Yeah, I haven't used this one in a while, man. So we could take that, make it unique, and then reverse it. Just add some reverb to that too. To get something in like this one. Just bring the velocity down. And then I want a different one to fill in the gaps. I don't really know if we should use a gunshot for this beat, man. It's not very godly, but I don't know. It could be a shooting star or something. And then same with these. We'll just fade those out too. And we're just getting this perk in as well. Yeah, drums are sounding hard. Right, we'll just get in a small riser to go here. That one's in my Tidal Effects kit, which is in my Deep Suite. Then I think we just gotta get a fill in, and then we can start arranging it. Sounds kinda hard. Might not even need the riser there, you know. Yeah, let's just save it. Alright, I'm gonna start arranging it, but I want one more switch shot. Alright, so we can bring this out. We'll create an intro. And then we'll bring the counter in here. I think we could bring the bells in here. We could bring this synth in as well. Maybe the choir too. I think we've got to bring these shots in as well. I think I'm going to save the whistle, you know. So yeah, that part could stay the same. Then when it comes to the verse, I'm just going to cut the brass, copy that. I'm going to save the violin. Then just leave the piano, you know. Then just copy the drums over. Cut the kick. But you know what? What if we had a Jersey section here? That might be sick, you know. This will sound hard. I think I might need to switch that at the end as well. Alright, so from there, we'll just go to my Jersey bounce section. We'll grab this effect too. Okay, we're going to grab an open hat as well. And we'll just pan those. I'm going to bring that choir back. We could bring the plucks in here. And then when the violin comes in, I think we'll just add one more bass. It'll just be a sub. I'm also just going to get a rack kick to go with that 808. And then with the kick, I'm going to sidechain that to the melody bus. We'll add kickstart 2, link the rack kick, set it to audio. And then the melody should just bounce with the kick then. And then yeah, last thing, like I said, is just going to be a sub bass for the bridge. So of course, I think it has to be my Dirty Reese bass, my favorite one right now. Yeah, crazy. I might actually just cut it there, you know. Alright man, so let's have a listen from the beginning. But before we do, if you like the content that I put out for you guys, then make sure you click the like button and the subscribe button because it helps push these videos to other producers. But yeah, let's hear it. So yeah, just starting off with the piano from Holy Drill. Then we just bring in the synth bells and counter snare. It's a different vibe, man, so let me know in the comments if you're feeling this one. This drill section's crazy. Just new 808 pattern. crazy part's hard too, you know. Then all the perks. A lot of space in this verse too. You can hear a lot of artists on this. And then to the bridge. So yeah, if you're feeling this one and you want to see more collabs like this, just click up here. And if you want to check out my bundles or drum kits, the links are in the description.